You got to drop that rod down there. You're going to go to the front. Go to the front. Now you got to try to get some pressure somehow.
I get pressure.
Put it on. You got it right here.
I'm just going back. Try to get him to the left. Let him go to the left. Come on in. I want to get him around from that ankle. Come on in.
It feels like catching that stingray all over again.
It's pretty big.
Yeah, I seen it.
You have to reel, get some more line
Where's he
down.
out from?
I'm just trying to force him. Yeah, there we go.
There you go.
Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah.
All right, you said you wanted to come into bigger fish for bites.
Yeah.
You